Looking for reliable car options that won't drain your wallet? Don't worry, we've got your back. From fuel-efficient compacts to rough and tough SUVs, these 17 budget-friendly cars won't let you down. Let's start things off small and slowly go bigger. The best small and compact cars. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. First we have the Toyota Corolla, a household name for decades, and for good reason. Known for its reliability, great fuel economy ranging from 30 to 38 miles per gallon, and super low maintenance costs. And Corolla is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a dependable, daily drive. Whether you go for a newer model or an older one, you get solid performance, a comfortable ride, and impressive longevity. Plus its resale value remains strong, making it a smart investment as well. If you want worry-free driving on a budget, the Corolla delivers. Number 2. Honda Civic. At number 2, we have the Honda Civic, which isn't just reliable, it's also a blast to drive. With a smooth ride, sharp handling, and impressive fuel efficiency of anywhere between 31 miles to 40 miles per gallon, it's the perfect mix of practicality and fun. Whether you opt for a sedan or a hatchback, Civics are known for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles, with minimal issues. The interior is comfortable and well designed, making long drives a pleasure. Plus, with Honda's reputation for durability, you'll spend less time in the shop and more time on the road. Number 3. Mazda 3. At number 3, if you want a car that looks and feels premium without the hefty price tag, the Mazda 3 is a top pick. This 2.5-liter, 186-horsepower compact car stands out with its stylish design, high-quality interior, and pleasant driving experience. The steering is precise and the ride is smooth, making it feel sportier than most cars in its class. Fuel efficiency averages around 26 miles per gallon and 35 miles per gallon between city and highway, keeping your costs low over time. With Mazda's reputation for reliability and a price tag that won't hurt your wallet, the Mazda 3 is a fantastic budget buy. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra. Moving to number 4, we have the Hyundai Elantra, proving that budget-friendly cars don't have to be boring. Packed with modern tech features, a spacious cabin, and excellent fuel economy, this 2.0-liter sedan offers great value for money. Hyundai's warranty is among the best in the industry, giving you extra peace of mind. The newer models come with sleek styling and advanced safety features, making it a great daily drive. Whether you're a student, a commuter, or just looking for a solid ride, the Elantra delivers more than you'd expect for the price. Mid-size sedans. Let's have a look at some mid-size sedans that offer a bit more room with a touch of luxury as well. Number 5. Toyota Camry. Like the Toyota Corolla, the Camry has a well-earned reputation for being one of the most reliable sedans on the road. Its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine is built to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. The ride is smooth and the cabin is spacious. It'll serve you as a dependable family car and a comfortable commuter. The Camry also retains resale value, making it a great investment for anyone looking for worry-free driving on a budget. Number 6. Honda Accord. At number 6, we have the Honda Accord, a perfect blend of practicality and luxury. Known for its roomy interior, smooth ride, and strong fuel efficiency, it's an excellent choice for families and commuters alike. The 4-cylinder engine provides both power and reliability, while the high-quality build and interior make it feel more upscale than the price suggests. With a reputation for lasting well beyond 200,000 miles, the Accord is built to go the distance. If you want a mid-size sedan that delivers comfort and dependability, this could be it. Number 7. Nissan Altima. Next is the Nissan Altima, a great pick for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable mid-size sedan. It offers a comfortable ride and good fuel economy, 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. There is plenty of interior space too. One of its standout features is the all-wheel drive, making it a great option for those in colder climates. SUVs that won't break the bank. Being on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on the fun. Number 8. Toyota RAV4. At number 8, the Toyota RAV4 is a rather compact SUV built for longevity. With excellent fuel economy and a spacious interior, it's a reliable choice for families. The all-wheel drive option makes it perfect for various road conditions, while its low maintenance costs keep it budget-friendly. Whether you're driving in the city or heading on a road trip, the RAV4 delivers a smooth ride and dependable performance even when the road gets bumpy. Number 9. Honda CR-V. At number 9, we have the Honda CR-V. It's a favorite among budget-conscious SUV buyers. With surprisingly good fuel economy, a comfortable interior, and a long lifespan, it's a practical choice for daily driving. The cargo space is generous, making it ideal for road trips or family outings. Honda's strong reputation for reliability means fewer repair costs over time. With user-friendly tech and a smooth ride, the CR-V provides everything you need in an SUV without the high price tag. Number 10. Mazda CX-5. Next, there's the Mazda CX-5. This SUV proves that affordability doesn't mean sacrificing style. The sleek design, it really stands out. The handling is responsive and the interior has a premium feel to it. It offers solid fuel economy and a comfy ride, making it great for both city and highway driving. You can expect low maintenance costs with advanced safety features, providing extra peace of mind. If you want a luxurious SUV without a heavy price tag, the CX-5 is a fantastic option. Number 11. Subaru Forester. At number 11, we have the Subaru Forester, which is perfect for drivers who need a reliable SUV with all-wheel drive. Its rugged design, spacious cabin, and high ground clearance make it ideal for road trips and outdoor adventures. Subaru's Boxer engine and symmetrical all-wheel drive system provide excellent handling in all weather conditions. The Forester is a good investment for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliability and versatility due to its longevity and performance. For the self-reliant, hard-working folk looking to haul cargo, or for other outdoor activities, there are quite a few good old budget-friendly trucks. Number 12. Toyota Tacoma. At number 12, the Toyota Tacoma is one of the most reliable mid-sized trucks on the market. With a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a 3.5-liter V6, it delivers up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. It's known for lasting well over 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Tacoma also holds its value better than most trucks, making it a great long-term investment. Whether for off-road adventures or work, this truck offers durability and a strong towing capacity of up to 6,800 pounds. Number 13. Ford Ranger. Next, we have the all-American Ford Ranger, combining power and efficiency in a budget-friendly package. Its 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine produces 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, offering great towing capacity for its size, up to 7,500 pounds with a towing package. The Ranger also boasts an impressive 21 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway, keeping fuel costs low. Its high-strength steel frame and off-road capabilities make it a versatile truck for work and play alike. On top of all that, the maintenance costs are quite reasonable. Number 14. Chevrolet Colorado. Another American option at number 14 is the Chevrolet Colorado. It offers a real balance between power and practicality. The base 2.5-liter 4-cylinder provides 200 horsepower, while the 3.6-liter V6 boosts its 308 horsepower. With a towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, it's great for hauling without the bulk of a full-size truck. It also delivers a comfortable ride with 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, making it practical for daily drives too. We thought we'd miss out on the sports car enthusiast picks. Number 15. Mazda MX Miata. At number 15 comes the Mazda MX-5 Miata's 2.0-liter engine delivering 181 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. Its 50-50 weight distribution makes handling sharp, while 34 miles per gallon on the highway keeps running costs low. Number 16. Ford Mustang, older models. At number 16, we have the all-American Muscle. A 2010 to 2014 Ford Mustang offers V6 engines with 305 horsepower, or a 5-liter V8 with 420 horsepower. With a 29 mile per gallon on the highway with the V6, it's surprisingly efficient for a muscle car, reliable and widely available. It's one of the most affordable ways to enjoy classic performance and style. Number 17. Volkswagen GTI. To wrap things up at number 17, we have the German Volkswagen GTI's 2-liter turbo engine that pushes 241 horsepower, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. It balances performance with 34 miles per gallon on the highway, a roomy interior, and handles with millimeter precision, perfect for daily driving or spirited weekend runs. The GTI is the perfect blend of affordability and thrill rides. So which one would you pick?